as we're building houses tighter and more energy efficient. In today's world, we need those houses to breathe. What we're doing today is installing a brand new product for Hayward Lumber Company, the Zehnder air filtration system. There are other products out there, but they don't come anywhere close to meeting the standards of the Zehnder system.
Hayward's very excited about this new ventilation system made by Zehnder America. It's very easy to install, very efficient. As you can see from this tubing, it goes through 2x4 walls. So today we're going to be doing a retrofit.
If you've ever opened the bedroom door of a teenager's bedroom, you know that a house needs fresh air.
I'd put one in my house because mold is a real issue today. And with mold, you get sick. And if you get sick, you can't work, you can't produce for your family. Healthy air is important.
One of the great benefits of this comfort tubing is its healthy qualities, where it's very hygienic, and it's made out of a food-grade, high-density polyethylene, and that's the same type of substance that our PEX pipes are made out of for water. To cut it to length, all you need is a utility knife, and then you can just cut it in the groove, and it makes a pretty good edge. You just take an O-ring and you insert the O-ring on the first groove. So once the O-ring's on, all you have to do to insert it into one of the register boxes is remove the clip, and then you just insert the tube. So once the clip's installed, this is a very airtight seal, so you don't need any mastic or tape. For this retrofit job, as you can see, we just have to cut holes in the drywall, and we're able to pull this tubing through it and then connect the box afterwards and push the box back. So it makes retrofit jobs very simple with these type of tubing.
The Zehnder system helps create a high-performance, healthy home by circulating fresh air. It actually filters the pollens and the pollutants out of the air. It's helping control the moisture in your house, and it's energy efficient.
Imagine, if you will, a system in your house that runs on as little as a 45-watt light bulb. It runs continuously, it's bringing fresh air in, exhausting your stale air out. So this house is sitting on a cliff, and naturally there's hot and cold spots throughout this house. With the Zehnder Comfo system, you eliminate those hot and cold spots. The air is distributed equally and uniformly throughout the house in a balanced system. The efficiency rating on a Zehnder system is 90%. You don't get that with any other system on the market today. 90% efficiency. Imagine 70 degrees inside your house, 40 degrees outside your house. The incoming air fresh and at nearly the same temperature, as little as a 3-degree drop.
The heart of this ventilation system is this HRV unit, and inside here is a pretty large heat exchanger. It has over 350 square feet of surface area to exchange, and that's where the high efficiency of over 90% comes from. And then on the front panel, it has easy access to the filters. So these filters can be upgraded to a MERV 13 for very healthy air. These are the only things that need to be looked at from a maintenance standpoint. So they're very easy to access and look at every few months.
Building codes are requiring houses to be built tighter, and we feel as Hayward that future building codes are going to require more air circulation in the homes, even more so than is required today.
A standard in Europe is air exchanges per hour, and they've developed systems in place. Zehnder is one of them, and it is certified. It is the wave of the future for the United States.
This is our display unit, and first thing, you can't hear it, can you? The unit's on, and it's so quiet you can't hear it. This display really shows our distribution system well. And you notice how gentle the air is coming out of here. We put this tissue up here just to show it. And these go in the living spaces and bedrooms of the house. Yeah, I talked to a lot of builders about this system, and they're always surprised how efficient it is, where the system will get the air temperature within 2 or 3 degrees of the room temperature, and which is pretty amazing for what it costs that it can do that.
So the great part about the Zehnder system is the fact that it's ultra energy efficient and it's super quiet. There's not another unit on the market that's as quiet or as efficient.
And continuous.
And continuous. The system runs all the time, and it runs basically on the same power as a 40-watt light bulb.
If it changes the air continuously, that's a good thing, I think.
A Zehnder system is an investment in your future, in your well-being, in your family's well-being. It's worth it.
Yeah, it went really well today.
All right.